My name's Phil Spivey, and I'm the president of AZMF Precision CNC Services in Tempe, Arizona. We're a general job shop. We do defense and aerospace, medical, semiconductors, some automotive, and then just general work in the industry. So the nice thing about ProShop for us is that everything ties together at a level that I haven't seen in other systems. We have full tracking and capability of seeing what we've done and how we've done it, and that really has made a huge difference. We were able to quote 3 times as much work through the estimating and the quoting process on ProShop than we could do the old way we were doing it. From a streamlining point of view, the systems really enabled us to be able to see where everything is in process and be able to make sure that nothing's falling through the gaps. One of the problems in the spreadsheet world was things fell through the gaps. We didn't order a particular piece of material. We had everything else. Now we're delayed. That doesn't happen with ProShop. Now, from anywhere in the world, I can get into the system and see exactly what's going on. The feedback we got from other users had all been very, very positive. The reduction in paper has made things so much easier on everyone. We've actually helped everyone spend way less time looking for things than they used to do, and now we can actually do more work. For me, it's created a lot more time to do added value things versus non-added value. Chasing spreadsheets and scraps of paper is definitely non-added value. The major metric that we track, in addition to all the normal ones that we've seen major improvement in, has been profitability. So overall, ProShop has helped us with our on-time delivery performance. So our ISO 9000 auditor was blown away by the ProShop system. She hadn't seen in 25 years of her experience, according to her, a system that tied together so well. ProShop enables us to show our customers how we're organized and how we can deliver the quality products that are going to meet their spec. So we've started showing customers a look behind the scenes in terms of what we do and how we do it, and that's definitely helped us win some business with some new customers who didn't know us. ProShop has really enabled us to focus on the future. The feature that we can't live without anymore is a thing called ProShop. ProShop is the backbone of our business. I wouldn't want to imagine life without it.